Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we're going to take a look at this box of darn good yarn. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at this box and what's inside of it of Darn Good Yarn and talk a little bit about its contents and about the company Darn Good Yarn. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a peek. Well, look at that. So we have got some really bright yarn to take a look at. We'll look at that a little bit closer coming up. And then we have a bottle of something here and the booklet with the pattern. So in every box of Darn Good Yarn, you get a ball of yarn, a pattern, and an extra gift. That comes in every box of Darn Good Yarn. Now, whenever you become a member, then you can always have, there's an option to have some add-ons, which you can choose to do that if you'd like. I will tell you a couple of things here, and one thing I keep forgetting to mention with Darn Good Yarn is that they do have a loyalty program. So for every purchase that you make through the Darn Good Yarn company, you earn points. When you first start purchasing through them, it's 10 points per every dollar that you spend. Now, as the more you spend, the more points you get per dollar. So at this point, I'm at 20 points per dollar. So what does that mean? Well, you can redeem those points for little things like the little enamel pen, or you can redeem them for gift cards, which is what I did. I was able to use my points that I've earned to get the Darn Good Yarn Advent Calendar for free. I also have upgraded, got a couple of add-ons and used my my dollar amount through that, and I also got the yarn bowl for like $10. I got $10 off the yarn bowl because I turned it in for a $10 gift card. So there was a wooden yarn bowl that they sold last year for real cheap. I think it was like $15. So I managed to get it like $5 and then shipping. So just a heads up, that is something that they do. Also, once you log into your account with Darn Good Yarn, they make it very easy to subscribe and unsubscribe to any of their boxes. And they do have more than just a yarn box. They have a bead box, they have a skirt box, because they sell sari skirts. So just a heads up, I wanted to give you a little bit more information about that because I've never really mentioned it in any of the videos that I've done for them so far. And I think that that is really appealing for any subscription box. So let's go ahead and take a look at what you get inside this box, and then we'll talk about value here shortly. So let's zoom in on this super bright yarn. I think it is simply gorgeous. Now this is not, I don't think it is, no, it is not a cotton yarn, but it feels almost cotton with the way that it feels. This is a silk yarn, which is something that they they give in their boxes a lot, silk yarn. So it says it's Darn Good Twist Sport Weight Silk Yarn, and the colorway name is Dragon Tail. Okay, and says here, I'm looking at, okay, here's the details. So sorry that took a minute. So the details of this. So it does recommend needles between a 3.25 and a 3.75 millimeter, or 3 to 5 US sizing. And I won't talk about the gauge. If you would like to know the gauge, it is available on every label that they do. Their recommended gauge for what you're using this for. Hook size for crochet hooks, it's recommended 3.5 to 4.5 millimeter, or the E hook, or 4 to 7 in US sizes. It is a size 2 weight yarn. It is hand wash only, and it was crafted in India. So again, these are some amazing bright colors, simply beautiful colorway here. I really love this. Now, the extra prize that you get in this was, and this made the whole box smell good, by the way, but it was yarn laundry soap, and the scent is sandalwood. You get 2 ounces of this, and it says this high quality laundry soap can be used on any fiber, leaving it smelling fresh and clean. The soap is crafted with 100% pure essential oils and other natural ingredients. So I don't know, this almost feels like it's a sample. Oh, here, okay, so as far as the value of the box goes, now there is a pattern in here, which I will show you a picture of that here in a minute. The pattern, I'd say this type of pattern would normally go for about, I'd say about $3 on Etsy, maybe up to $6, but usually probably about $3. And then this MSRP on this bottle of soap is $4.50. That's some fancy soap, isn't it? And then this yarn, the MSRP on that is $16.99. Of course, that's because it's silk. This is a silk yarn. It's hand woven, okay, and it's gorgeous. So the value of the box is, these boxes are generally $20 a month, and you are getting here just between the soap and the yarn, right at the value. So about $20, a little bit over $20. So I'd say it's right at value there. And I think what you're getting this box for, less so the deal, but more so the different types of yarn that you can get, and just really feeling the different types of yarn. You get a lot of silk through Darn Good Yarn. I've gotten some linen, and I've gotten a few other different types of fibers, but this is simply a beautiful yarn. And part of it is supporting this company and what they do. So they give women in other countries a way to make a living, which is wonderful. And let me show you the... Oh, and also this yarn is made from recycled materials, which is nice. So the knit pattern is for fingerless gloves, as well as the crochet pattern. It is also for fingerless gloves. I think those are pretty, aren't they? So they're an excellent coloring with the colorway. I love how that works up. It's beautiful. I almost feel like that picture might be a little dark, because I mean, if you look at it next to this, I feel like they'd be even brighter, don't you? So gorgeous. So as always, I do get 2 boxes of this Darn Good Yarn every month, and I like to give away 1 box if I don't feel like I really want to hang on to both balls of yarn, which I did when I got my linen box. But my daughter has no interest in those fingerless gloves. My mom wouldn't use them. I would be making them only for me, which I'm happy with. So with that in mind, I will be giving away my second box, which is a little beat up. Not too bad, but you can see here, a little beat up. But I will be giving that box away, and so now I got to give you some rules. So the rules to enter this giveaway is, 1, you do need to be a subscriber of me on YouTube, because this is a subscriber appreciation giveaway. You also need to be 18 years or older, and and you also need to be within the United States. If you are an international fan, you can still enter, but I will be giving you the equivalent winnings in the form of an Amazon gift card rather than mailing it to you. So, but you get everything that you saw that I showed you that was in the box. And also know that Darn Good Yarn and YouTube are not affiliated with me in any way, and neither one of them are responsible for what I have mentioned that I will be giving to you. You can enter this giveaway from the time that this is posted and live on YouTube up until February 20th. I will be posting the winner on February 21st. So you can, that means I have 2 giveaways going on at the same time. I have my big giveaway, my big 1K giveaway, plus I'll have this giveaway going on. And you can enter this up until February 20th, and the winner will be announced on the 21st. So how can you enter? Well, I need you to answer a question below. So as far as the question that I want answered below since this is going to be a February giveaway, tell me, what plans, if any, do you have with your sweetheart for this Valentine's Day? I would love to know. So what plans, if any, do you have with your sweetheart this Valentine's Day? All right, so thank you so much for watching me today. And if you like this kind of content, then go ahead and hit that like button down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so that you're reminded each time I put out a brand new video. Also, don't forget, every Saturday at 11 a.m. I host a live chat so we can all get to know each other better. And then again at 5 p.m. I get together with my girls, the Yarn Hookers, at 5 p.m. Eastern time, and we have a themed show and then a little bit of chat at the end. So please feel free to join us there. Now, we do rotate whose channel it's on, so make sure you subscribe to all three of us and hit the bell so that you're reminded each time we go live. Okay, so you guys, I want to say thank you so much for joining me. This is why I have these little giveaways. They're my little way of saying thank you each month. Just a little something for me to do that with. So I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. You guys have an amazing day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.